We have a problem is because of a decision that has been made by the Speaker. Not now, but he's already shown the indications from before that he is going to use the majority to impose leadership on the minority. We have made a decision who we want to whip us. It is not logical and it is not moral for anyone to purport to want to sit in an office where they cannot work. In fact, if anything, I think that's the most immoral thing any individual can do. If I was the former deputy whip of this coalition, I would have resigned. Yes. Why would you want to continue earning a stipend and getting benefits of an office that you will never occupy anyway? I mean, it's unfortunate and it's disgusting, and that is why we have a problem, and we will not allow the majority to continue dictating to us. Even in whipping our own members, they are trying to control us. Yes. Let majority deal with their members, let them allow us to deal with our members.
Yes. Let me just say, let me say then again. I think what the Speaker's action is today, sending the members of Azimio coalition out for 2 weeks, is a strategy by the UDA coalition to ensure that they will pass the unpopular, the intimidating, the oppressive, finance bill. That is what they are doing. So that within 2 weeks, they will have passed it with very few members from Azimio coalition in the House. But we want to tell them to go chonjo.
Let me just say, I think the Speaker needs to